Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to add lights to a car headlight in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Here's our image. Create a new layer. Now, select the brush tool from the toolbar. You can control the brush size by pressing the bracket keys. And from the color picker tool, choose the following color. Hit OK. Now, dab on both the headlights to add the light. Change its blending mode to Linear Dodge Add. Right-click on the layer and choose Blending options. Here, uncheck the Transparency Shapes layer and hit OK. Again, create a new layer with the same color selected. Make the brush a little bigger this time and again create the same effect. Change its blending mode to Linear Dodge Add and uncheck the Transparency Shapes layer in the blending options. Now, if you want, you can stop over here, but we'll add one more layer to it. Change its blending mode to Linear Dodge Add. This time we'll make the brush a little bigger. Dab to create a point. Now unhide the layer. From the toolbar, select Polygonal Lasso tool and create a shape like this. Enable the layer again and click on Vector Mask icon over here. Now, with the layer mask selected, go to the Properties panel and increase the feather amount as per your requirement. Make a copy of it by pressing Ctrl or Command J and place it over the second headlight. Now, let's do some color adjustments. From the Adjustment layer, choose Color Lookup. Here in the LUTs panel, choose Night from Day. Again go to Adjustment layer and this time choose Curves. Make a slight S curve over here like this. Decrease the opacity of the lights as per your requirement, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.